2025 Loncin XWolf 1000 Mud version is not just an ATV. It's a statement of raw power, durability, and extreme off-road capability. Built for riders who thrive in the harshest conditions, this machine is designed to dominate mud, water, and rugged trails where ordinary ATVs don't stand a chance. At the heart of the XWolf 1000 Mud version is a 996cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine engineered to deliver relentless power and torque. With its strong mid-range pull and quick throttle response, the engine provides the kind of muscle you need when the terrain gets brutal, whether you're clawing your way through sticky mud or powering across rocky ground. Loncin has tuned this power plant for consistent performance in demanding environments, ensuring that even when submerged or heavily loaded, it keeps pulling strong. One of the standout features that defines the Mud version is its factory-installed snorkel system. The high-mounted snorkels for the air intake and transmission allow the XWolf to breathe even when wading deep into swamps, rivers, or bogs. Combined with waterproofed electrical components and sealed housings, this setup means the ATV can go places most competitors simply can't. But it doesn't stop there. The chassis and protection package have been designed with toughness in mind. Heavy-duty front and rear bumpers, aggressive skid plates, and a high-capacity winch come standard, giving riders the confidence to push into extreme terrain and recover when things get really tough. The reinforced frame adds durability, while Loncin's engineering ensures the XWolf can take repeated punishment without compromise. The suspension system is built for serious off-road punishment. Long travel shocks soak up impacts, keeping the ride stable and controlled even when blasting through ruts or hammering over uneven terrain. Ground clearance is generous, allowing the ATV to glide over obstacles rather than getting hung up. Pair this with selectable 2WD and 4WD modes, plus a locking differential, and the XWolf offers the traction and flexibility needed to adapt to every challenge the trail throws at you. Tires play a massive role in off-road performance, and the XWolf Mud version is fitted with oversized mud-specific tires. With deep, aggressive tread patterns, they bite into soft terrain, expelling mud and water to maintain traction. These tires are the key to the ATV's unstoppable nature, turning conditions that would trap lesser machines into an invitation to push further. On the rider-focused side, Loncin has equipped the XWolf with thoughtful features for both comfort and utility. The ergonomic seating is designed for long days in the saddle, offering both support and control when navigating technical terrain. A digital instrument cluster provides vital ride information at a glance, while full LED lighting ensures visibility no matter the conditions. Rugged front and rear racks allow for carrying gear, tools, or supplies, making the XWolf as practical as it is powerful. The XWolf 1000 Mud version also embodies versatility. While it's built for hardcore mudding, it doubles as a serious utility ATV. Whether hauling loads around a worksite, exploring trails, or powering through swamps, it's a machine that blends brute strength with everyday functionality. In short, the 2025 Loncin XWolf 1000 Mud version is more than just an off-road ATV. It's a purpose-built beast for riders who demand the ultimate in mud and water performance. With its powerful V-twin engine, snorkel system, advanced suspension, aggressive tires, and rugged design, it stands ready to go where others can't. This is not just about riding. It's about conquering. The XWolf 1000 Mud version isn't for the faint of heart. It's for those who seek out the toughest trails, the deepest mud, and the wildest adventures. The message is clear. When the road ends and the mud begins, the Loncin XWolf 1000 Mud version is just getting started.